evening. I will be doing an experiment on solids, liquids, and gases. The topic or the concept of the whole topic is arrangement of particles. So I'll be showing how solids move to liquids and liquids move to gas. So the only practical example I have is for solids to move to liquids, but I wanted to state that for liquid to move to gases is when the liquid is heated or boiled to 100 degrees Celsius, which will make it evaporate. When the evaporation comes, it's when now the liquid will be turning into gas. And if you want to experiment and see if it really turns into gas, if while evaporation is happening, if you were to put an object on top of where the evaporation is happening, it's when now the evaporating gas is gonna hit the surface of the object you put on top, and then it will start turning to liquid again, which you will see drops of water or whatever you are using as a source of evaporation to evaporate. And again, there are multiple objects or multiple things that we use in our everyday lives that you can use in order to do this experiment. For example, you can take candles. Candles are made out of wax, which if you were to melt the candle, it will turn into liquid, which will be a solid turning to a liquid. And again, you can take normal water or milk or anything liquid, anything that is liquid. If we were to put it on the stove to heat up, or pour it in a kettle, switch it on. A kettle, in order for water to boil, it must reach 100 degrees Celsius, which you will see the evaporation happening. Now here I'm having boiled water as a form of liquid, and with this boiled water, I'm gonna put in this frozen bag of milk to show that it will start it will start turning from solid to liquid. So for now, I'm just gonna put it in, and then the experiment will be happening. As this happens, it will show it also depends on the number, on how hot is the surface you're trying to melt the solid in. So it has been about 10 minutes since I boiled this water. That's why it's taking some time, but as you can see, the liquid is starting to come, as you can see, because the solid, which is the iced milk, is starting to melt and turn into a liquid. So as it's melting like this, it shows the experiment of a solid turning into a liquid while I used hot water that I boiled with my kettle. And then here's the evidence that it's turning to a liquid. Thank you.